Hi, I'm Jordan Charters of Charters & Son Painters and Decorators, and on behalf of Trade Decorator TV, I've been asked to review Coo-Var Suregrip anti-slip floor paint. The colour I've chosen is red, just so you can see it, and it'll also test its coverage ability. Before I go any further, if you could nip onto YouTube, you can subscribe to us there and hit the notifications button. That means every time a review comes up, you'll be notified. And if you like and comment whether you've used anything before, or even just some feedback from your own personal experience, that'd be great. So yeah, let's get to it. So just before we start using this product, the things you need to know: it is for interior, exterior use, wood, metal and concrete surfaces. It is solvent based, it is not to be shaken in a machine, and it is stir only. It does say one coat might be adequate, but a second might be advantageous, so let's see what the coverage is like. It is touch dry in 6 hours and recoatable after 16. Now, because it is solvent based, it does say on it safety precautions: wear gloves and glasses if needed. So let's see how it gets on. So just a quick run through of how I thought the Coo-Var anti-slip floor paint performed. And it definitely is an anti-slip floor paint. It does not go anywhere. It is not slippy in the slightest. The paint itself it feels textured. It's got like a sand-like substance in it, and that is obviously the bit that makes you not slip. And I do find it needs 2 coats. For most things, I'm a 2-coat system anyway, but it just didn't cover very even. By that I mean the sand-like texture in it. It doesn't spread very well with just 1 coat, especially for large areas. I could understand it being 1 coat if it was like single strips on stair treads or something. That would be fine. I totally see why it'd be a 1-coat system for that. For large floor areas though, you're definitely looking at 2, maybe even 3 coats just to get it that even surface. I do find, because it's quite a heavy textured material, it does spray a lot. It tends to flick off the roller. It covered the walls, it covered me, and I'm not really bothered about it covering the walls in my spray room, but if I was doing it somewhere else, I would definitely mask up round about, just because it does flick. It was even flicking off my brush, and I was trying to be as steady as I could, and yeah, it's very messy, not in the sense that it's runny or anything, just because it can spray everywhere when you're rolling it. But yeah, no, very impressive stuff. Very easy to use, very simple to apply, and it definitely performs how it should perform, which is anti-slip. So yeah, thumbs up from me, and yeah, thanks for watching, and please tune in to more of the Trade Decorator TV reviews.